Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this very rare Tomica Takara Tomy Transformers Optimus Prime truck from Dream Tomica. It comes with this hard plastic to protect the box. Then there's a plastic piece, plastic wrapping. Then there is another cardboard. Now I have to buy this on the internet because it's very rare. My local Tomica, I buy local Tomica. I buy from Toys R Us, and they don't have this kind of things. So look closely. The paint work is very nice. The front, there is interior, but we can't see much. It's very small. I think the scale is around 1/100. The 6 exhaust pipe is quite big. Ugly is not the correct word, but it's not nice. Too many, too big. And what's this? And unfortunately, only one single wheel. Should be double wheel at the back for trucks, right? And if you look here, the wheels are exposed, the axle is exposed. They should have extend this curve fender more until here, but then it will be a bit longer. Maybe they wouldn't be able to fit into the box. Let's see. They have license from Western Star. Western Star is the truck company that the Optimus Prime is based on. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.